Why does your scanner show the P1349 engine code? What does it mean? P1349 is a diagnostic trouble code for Variable Valve Timing System Malfunction Bank 1. This engine code indicates that this system is responsible for optimizing engine performance by adjusting valve timing. When the PCM detects an issue with the VVT system's ability to change valve timing, it triggers the P1349 code. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Oil-related issues, VVT system component problems, wiring and circuit issues, engine timing, other possible causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Toyota and Lexus vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.